Hello everyone, hope you had lots of fun building your egg jackets. I know I did. As you can see, I've got lots of different variations here and I'm going to test them out. I'm going to throw them over this balcony here, which is quite high up, but they are landing on grass, and we're going to see which is the best egg jacket at protecting our egg. So let's go! Okay, let's see if any of our eggs have survived. So this egg was in a can with lots of bubble wrap around it and it survived! Yeah. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, this one isn't looking so good. So I just put this egg in a can with some sellotape over it and it has fully smashed. There is no egg left there at all. Okay, so that one wasn't so lucky. Let's try this one, which I just wrapped up in some old magazines. It survived, fantastic. Okay, so next let's try this one, which was just magazines with an egg. Yeah, that egg did not survive at all. And I've got an egg here which I wrapped in just some bubble wrap. There's a big soggy mess in there. Oh no! That egg did not survive. Okay, our final one, which was a mixture of old magazines and some bubble wrap. So let's see how this one did. Oh, and the old egg carton as well. Oh my goodness, there we go. It survived. So I've got 3 eggs that survived out of 6. So not bad. But you know what? I'm really interested to see what you did for your egg jackets. So please can you share your videos and pictures so we can see what you did and see where your curiosity took you.